China's foreign ministry has criticized a brief US visit by Taiwan Vice President William Lai, saying he was a separatist and troublemaker through and through, and Beijing would take strong steps to protect its sovereignty. Beijing labeled Lai, a Harvard-educated doctor who has previously stressed Taiwan's independence, a separatist and a troublemaker. Lai, front-runner to be Taiwan's next president at elections in January, arrived in New York late on Saturday for what is officially a transit on his way to Paraguay for the inauguration of its president. China, which claims democratically governed Taiwan as its own territory, has repeatedly denounced Lai's trip, which includes another stopover in San Francisco on Wednesday on his way back to Taipei. In a statement issued shortly after Lai landed in New York on a scheduled flight from Taipei, China's foreign ministry said it opposed any form of visit by Taiwan independent separatists to the US. Lai stubbornly adheres to the separatist position of Taiwan independence and is a troublemaker through and through, the ministry's statement read. Taiwan is the core of China's core interests, and facts have shown again and again that the reason for the rise in tensions in the Taiwan Strait is Taiwan trying to rely on the US to seek independence, it said. China is closely following developments and will make resolute and vigorous measures to defend national sovereignty and territorial integrity, the statement further read. China has a particular dislike of Lai, who has previously described himself as a practical worker for Taiwan independence. Though he has repeatedly said on the campaign trail he is not seeking to change the status quo, but that only Taiwan's people can decide their future. During his stopover in New York, Lai plans to meet with Taiwanese citizens living abroad at receptions and deliver a speech. He is not expected to engage with US lawmakers. He was greeted by supporters waving flags to welcome him and wrote on the social media platform X that he was looking forward to seeing friends and attending transit programs in New York. Beijing has previously vowed to take control of Taiwan, which it considers part of its own territory, using force if necessary. Lai's transits come as Beijing and Washington are trying to improve relations. That includes the prospect of a visit to the US by Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, which could pave the way for a meeting between President Joe Biden and China's leader Xi Jinping this year. China has stepped up its military activities around Taiwan over the past 3 years, seeking to force the island into accepting Beijing's sovereignty. In April, China staged war games around Taiwan in an angry response to Taiwan President Tsai Ing-wen meeting US House Speaker Kevin McCarthy in California on a stopover on the way back to Taipei after a visit to Central America.